Hi, scholars. I'm Miss Houston. What's your name? That is a very cool name. Will you learn to read with me? You will? Awesome. First, we're going to spell the word. We spell the word by saying the letters. Next, we're going to sound each letter out. You sound it out by saying the sound that the letter makes. Last, we're going to blend all the sounds together to read the word. Are you ready? Let's get started. Let's practice first. We're going to spell the word by saying each letter. As you say each letter, I want you to touch your chest like this. B, A, T. Now, let's sound out each letter. Don't forget to touch your chest. B, A, T. Now, let's blend those sounds together to read the word. When we read the word, we're going to run our finger across our chest like this. Bat, bat, bat. You read the word bat. Very good. Bat. C, A, T. K, A, T. Cat. Cat. F, A, T. A, T. Fat. Fat. H, A, T. A, T. Hat. Hat. R, A, T. R, A, T. Rat. Rat. S, A, T. S, A, T. Sat. Sat. Bat. Cat. Fat. Hat. Rat. Sat. Very good reading those three-letter words. C, A, P. K, A, P. Cap. Cap. G, A, P. G, A, P. Gap. Gap. M, A, P. M, A, P. Map. Map. N, A, P. A, P. Nap. Nap. T, A, P. T, A, P. Tap. Tap. Cap. Gap. Map. Nap. Tap. Awesome job reading words. C, A, B. K, A, B. Cab. B A G. B A G. Bag. Bag. T A G. T A G. Tag. Tag. D A D. D A D. Dad. Dad. M A D. A D. Mad. Mad. S A D. S A D. Sad. Sad. Cab. Bag. Tag. Dad. Mad. Sad. Fantastic job reading!